Hello, we are right now in the foothills of Bhadarwah, and Bhadarwah has turned purple. And I'm talking about the Purple Revolution. And behind this is an institution, and behind the institution, there's a personality. All credit goes to Dr. Zabeer Ahmed, sir, Director CSIR-IIIM. And with us, we have Sir himself. Sir, the whole Bhadarwah has turned purple. We know who is the man behind this purple revolution. So we are going to ask you. So can you just say a few words like how this Bhadarwah has changed its color?
First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to you for your nice words for me and for my team. So, on this occasion, I would like to give credit to my predecessors also because in 2017 we started this lavender cultivation in the region. My predecessors were present. So, they started this cultivation, and when my responsibility came, I continued that mission forward. And if we talk about this purple revolution in the region, like in 2017, we started CSIR-IIIM mission under Union Ministry of Science and Technology. This mission is flagship program of our Union Ministry of Science and Technology, who is also Vice President of CSIR, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji. He personally monitored this mission, and we introduced lavender cultivation here in Bhadarwah. We started lavender cultivation right from this village where we are standing right now. At that point of time, the farmers we invited for this lavender cultivation, they were very reluctant. They were hesitant to adopt this cultivation, and they were thinking whether we should leave the traditional cropping system and adopt this cultivation. They were just in dilemma, but after motivation, they started this cultivation, and from single flower, you can see the whole Bhadarwah has turned into the purple bloom, and the purple revolution came from Bhadrava only. When the success we observed in cultivation of lavender and farmers started distillation, we provided distillation support, value addition for product development, for market linkage, we are providing this support to the farmers. At this point of time, what we have observed, the farmers who initially associated with us for simple lavender cultivation, they are now turned out to be agri startups and businessmen. I am happy to share with the views that there was a time when they were simple farmers. There is a time when they are coming to our institution with the proposal that we will sign MOU for product development and for value addition. This is the real contribution of the farmers, and this is the real contribution of CSIR Aroma Mission team. And now we can think forward how we can take this mission forward in other regions.
Sir, I will come to the startups, but before that, yesterday, Honorable Union Minister has inaugurated the third Bhadarwah Lavender Festival, and it was a huge success. Not only huge success, but all the farmers from the different regions. We had farmers from the Meghalaya, we had farmers from the Uttarakhand, coming down from such places to this small town, because this is now a model set by the CSIR-IIIM. So how you see this revolution going forward, and what is your vision forward? So we had third Lavender Festival, and what else will be there in the fourth? Because I can see, sir, your vision, you're thinking too far for the farmers. So how you think for the fourth revolution turning, like the fourth Lavender Festival turning up?
So the Lavender Festival we are organizing from the Institute to celebrate the great success of the farmers who are associated with lavender cultivation. Every year we organize this event. And this event, that is third Lavender Festival we are organizing here, this is itself unique because in this 2 days Lavender Festival, which was inaugurated by our Honorable Union Minister of Science and Technology, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, we invited different people from industry, investors are there, and beside this, like you mentioned, people from Manipur, Northeast, Uttarakhand, and from other regions, they were here to witness the Lavender Festival. Like the Purple Revolution got the visibility at national level, And these people, the head of the organizations, the startups, when they observed that the purple revolution is coming from Bhadarwa and we are organizing this Lavender Festival, they approach us and they propose that we would like to adopt this cultivation there, and they should involve their farmers there, and they are here for this festival. Like I mentioned, this festival is itself very unique. In this festival, on one side, we have kept the exhibition where all these farmers who are cultivating lavender in the region, they are involved in different types of activities as far as lavender oil distillation is concerned, value addition is concerned, product development is concerned. Yesterday, if you have seen the kind of composition of that exhibition, agri startup based
Startups, right?
exhibition, live demonstration of distillation, value addition, product development. Our farmers and our agri startups have displayed everything, their experiences, their products, the kind of value addition they are doing. And at the same time, we can see the other, like other product development, other associated activities were there, and the farmers linked with the lavender festival ecotourism, they were there and they were demonstrating their contribution and the achievements. On other side, like I mentioned, we have invited industry people, investors. Until and unless there is not a strong link between farmers and the industry
Industry
people
people,
and the investors, they cannot grow. That's why we have invited certain industry people. They are discussing the product development. They are thinking that on large scale, if we can start some cultivation, we should have some kind of end-to-end processing unit here in this valley only. So on that line, we are also working. We are discussing with the stakeholders also. In addition to this, another important session in the lavender cultivation, this lavender festival we have kept,
right?
that is the experiences of the farmers.
Farmers,
On
right?
one side, they are sharing their achievements, but on the other side, they are also sharing the challenges they are facing in
Facing,
product development, in quality control, and the value additions. You talked about, raised one question about the next level of the phase 3 or Lavender Festival
Lavender
3, and
Festival,
what would be the magnitude of the Lavender Festival
festivals to
4.
fall, right?
So, from observation, I could gather from the fields after interacting with farmers, agri startups, and the members of the civil society here. I would like to have one center as center of excellence for
Excellence,
lavender here,
Lavender, right?
because farmers are doing their activities, cultivation they are doing.
Doing,
In addition to this, at their own level, they are doing some product development. When we will be providing quality support as far as product development is concerned, distillation is concerned, definitely, again, this will be a significant advantage for our farmers and for our team to take this mission, lavender mission, forward. We started with
CSR.
CSIR-IIIM mission. What I see, we can go forward with lavender mission.
So, very importantly, like you discussed about the ecotourism, and it has a huge potential. If we talk about Padarwa, but even the Jammu division and the Kashmir division, they have huge potential for ecotourism, and a lot of new destinations can come up uh, for the lavender as well, and it can turn out to be a economy booster for the local people here. So there are two things, sir. Now, as you rightly said, that you are doing the value addition part of it, and as Triple IM has two incubators, one at Srinagar branch and one at Jammu branch. So you're also developing new products, value addition part. So how can this revolution now turn out to be a startup purple revolution? And the second part is, if we talk about the ecotourism, boosting ecotourism in the your territory of Jammu and Kashmir. So how do you see this purple revolution taking to next heights and moving forward to different locations?
Very right and relevant questions you have posed. Your question is having two parts. One is how we will be supporting the startups in terms of value additions and product development, and other part of your question is how we can intervene into the improvement of the
Ecotourism,
ecotourism.
right, sir. Right,
First, I will take the support to startup.
right,
This region is having huge natural wealth,
right,
whether we talk about aromatic crops, floriculture crops, medicinal plants. So, climatically, the region is diverse.
right, sir.
And in the same way, if we talk about the natural wealth, huge wealth is there. And we are bestowed with very rich human brain in the region. As scientific organization, as head of scientific organization, this is our responsibility to put our efforts so that we can explore the rich nature resources and we can support the rich brain we are
Right.
having. We have certain innovators in the region, agri startups are there. People are having great ideas,
Ideas.
but only the requirement is that from lab, from institution side, we should provide hand holding for value addition, for product development, and for marketing.
Right.
So that we are doing
Right.
because we are having two incubators. One is in Jammu and other is in our Kashmir centers. So here our approach is to invite the innovators. We can discuss their ideas and we can provide the startup support to these people. Specifically talking about the lavender or agri startup and the kind of support we are providing and we will be providing. They are distilling lavender oil. In order to check the quality of lavender oil and in order to have a comparative analysis with the lavender oil which is available elsewhere, our startup support is there.
Right.
Our institute is providing support. If we talk about the product development in soap making, in perfume making, in agarbatti making, a lot of cosmetics products are there where lavender is used. In order to have quality based products, we are providing that kind of support to these people. And I am happy to share that at Jammu Center we have established value addition lab where we are providing training to farmers, women farmers for soap making, for agarbatti making, and all kind of support they are requiring we are providing from our value addition unit. And my objective and my future proposal is that if we would have a center of excellence in this region only, where startup support, the incubation support, we will be able to provide to these farmers. That will be great. Your second part of your question was to promote the ecotourism. If we talk about the economy of the farmers, lavender oil is there, products are there, quality control is there, they are getting their share. After distillation, mark is there, scientifically we are doing. But when we talk about the ecotourism, you might have seen a number of visitors in the region.
Coming,
They will
yes.
visiting, definitely, ultimately, the significant impact will be there on the local economy. And yesterday I have observed that certain kinds of articles for beautification they are preparing, volunteers are there, they are making agarbattis, and this lavender bouquet they are preparing for different events. And if this kind of involvement will be there from farmers and particularly from ladies, definitely it will be a significant achievement. So in this region, what I have observed, whatever work the farmers have done on national map, they purple revolution is there.
there.
Bhadrava is there.
Otherwise,
Honorable Prime Minister of India has mentioned about this Bhadrava town
Bhadrava,
in his Mann Ki
Man
Baat.
Ki Baat,
And
right.
I think this is the great recognition for region, for whole team, for farmers and all the stakeholders involved in the purple revolution.
Purple Revolution.
Ultimately, his nice words are source of inspiration for whole region, all farmers, my team, and definitely we will be observing significant change as far as ecotourism in the region is concerned.
Thank you, sir. So before we wind up, just last question. Honorable Union Minister continuously said yesterday that you are taking the lead in startup development of whole CSIR, not only with the IIIM. Honorable Union Minister talked about IIIM being now the lead institution for startups. You recently have inaugurated one startup festival in Navi Mumbai, and then followed by many other, like one in the Lucknow. What about your own state, union territory of Jammu and Kashmir? How do you see this startup, not only with the Purple Revolution, but with the core focus of a IIIM, being it the biotechnology, being it any other, like as you have one incubation center in Srinagar, and wherein you have some focus areas. If I talk about the fermentation technology, leather technology, you have essential oils, you have, sir, the mushroom in your focus area. How do you see, sir, such startups growing and under the guidance of CSIR-IIIM and you as an head of the institution?
Very interesting questions, and this is the future of my institute, whatever you are thinking. So, as institute, which is institution of R&D, national level institution is there, that is IIIM. Along with core R&D activities we are doing in different areas like cancer, diabetes mellitus, rheumatoid arthritis, infectious disease. Many areas are there in which our research groups are working. In addition to core R&D activities, my team as institutional head, we have observed that there is a critical requirement to explore the resources of the region. Like I mentioned about the various natural resources, we have huge wealth of the medicinal plants in the region. Floriculture crops can be grown, aromatic crops can be grown. My future in the societal mission programs, like we have aroma mission, we have floriculture mission, another mission we have started, that is region specific smart agriculture mission. Through all these missions, the objective of our team is to focus on the regional resources, how we can make best use of these resources. If we talk about the medicinal plants, we are running phytopharmaceutical missions, and two potential leads we have identified from the plants, and these plants are grown in this region.
Right.
One is saffron. From saffron, we have identified fraction for Alzheimer. IND has been granted, and other is prohibited crop.
Okay.
And this institution has taken lead to do research, basic research in cannabis, that is prohibited crop. And as institute, as head of institution, my whole team is blessed to have the personal monitoring and mentoring of Honorable Union Minister of Science and Technology. He is monitoring everything very minutely, and his mentorship is real source of guidance for my team to work. And like I mentioned about the phytopharmaceutical, these kinds of leads are there, and when these leads will approach toward clinical trial, ultimately the benefit to farmers will be there. Clinical trials will be there, supply chain will be required, and ultimately these farmers will be the real stakeholders to do the captive cultivation of these plants, so that we can cover up the component of drug development. Other societal missions, through these societal missions, this is the significant crop, that is that is major crop is lavender cultivation. In addition to this, many aromatic crops are there, and we are involving different farmers in different regions, and definitely the end result will be enhancement of income of the farmers. Floriculture mission we have through floriculture in this region only.
Nice.
In Bhadrawa region only, we have involved more than 2,500 farmers in floriculture crops.
That's a huge number, sir.
In this region, annually we are importing flowers worth more than 20 cr. When we are involving our farmer cultivation of these floriculture crops, in very short span of time they will get the return. So I mean to say, on one side natural resources are there, but at the same time we have significant chunk of land which is unutilized. Barren land is there, and as institution of scientific and R&D institution, we from institution, our objective is there, we can make best use of the barren and unutilized land as far as floriculture crops are concerned, medicinal plants are concerned, and aromatic crops are concerned. And from institution side, all kind of support, whether some farmer will come, startup will come, or academician will come, or researcher will come, definitely keeping in view the overall development of the region, we are there to provide 24/7 support to these people.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. And